Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Oh, got some ribeye steaks. Let's go ahead and make some Philly cheesesteaks. Got my steaks all washed up, pat it dry. We're gonna wrap it up in this plastic. We're gonna put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. We don't want the steak completely frozen. We just want it kind of firm. After that, we're gonna slice it very thin, season it up, and send it over to the pan. While these steaks are hanging out, these are the vegetables that we're gonna use for this Philly cheesesteak. We got some yellow onion, red and green bell pepper, and some baby bella mushrooms. We're gonna slice down these mushrooms and saute them off. Same thing with these yellow onions. With this red and green bell pepper, we're gonna add a little oil, a little salt, a little pepper, and we're gonna send them over to the grill for a little bit. Get a little blister on them. As you can see, I got my onions in the pan. I put some avocado oil in there. Drop the onions in, hit it with a little salt and pepper. Over here, I got some avocado oil with some butter. I'm gonna hit my mushrooms in here and hit it with a little salt and pepper. We're gonna let these mushrooms cook down until all the moisture is released. Then we're gonna pull them off. Turn the heat down if you need to. While I got those onions and mushrooms working out, I got these bell peppers on the grill. We're gonna get a nice char on them, and then we're gonna pull them off. Got my peppers off. We're gonna let these cool down. When they're ready, we're gonna peel off some of this char, and then we're gonna slice it down. But in the meantime, it's time to slice up them steaks. You want something like this, nice and thin. Now that I got my steaks all sliced down and looking really nice, I'm gonna take some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of cumin, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, and some onion powder. We're gonna mix all this up and let it hang out for about 10 minutes. After that, we're gonna get a pan really hot, and then we're gonna put it in the pan and sear it off. We're gonna mix this up I did not add any salt because I don't want it to release any moisture. I want to get a good sear when I put it in that nice hot pan. And we're gonna let this hang out for about 10 minutes. For these bell peppers, I took the outside skin off, as you can see right here. We're gonna take these, slice them down. We're gonna add them to our onions and mushrooms. Alright, we got a hot pan, medium to high heat. We're gonna take some of this avocado oil. Yeah. Start dropping our meat in. And we're gonna let that go until it's fully brown. Now we're gonna take some of these mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers and put them on top. And we're using provolone and baby Swiss cheese. We're gonna let that melt for a little bit, and then we're gonna send it over to our roll. Oh boy, we got that Philly cheesesteak. I took a French bread, toasted the inside, and layered it with provolone and baby Swiss cheese. You see it? Stay tuned.